back. We are on to another pack of XY Evolutions, my favorite set. So let's get going. I kind of already started opening this one and realized I didn't even start talking. So that's what happened there. But that's okay. 1, 2, 3. A Professor Oak's Hint. A Metapod. A Switch. An Energy. Psychic. Another Pikachu. A Growlithe. A Machop. A Nidoran. A Reverse Hollow Sandshrew. And a Dugong, which was just an uncommon in the original base set, but we will take it. That's all for today. We will see you on the next one. Peace.